As computer graphic practitioners, we were frustrated with expensive and bulky motion capture systems. Now, we transform animation production into fantastic experience. More and more indie developers and studios are starting to use portable motion capture systems to create animations. While the large production companies invest in expensive enterprise setups, our mocap suit is a universal and affordable solution for both professionals and enthusiasts. Open up a new level of compatibility and usability with no interference and drift, real-time accurate data collection, and automatic sensor calibration, absolute motion tracking without a studio, indoor location, and even 5G connectivity. This product is designed to impress and digitalize many spheres. We don't want to use flawed but trendy products. We want to be at the cusp of innovation and focus on creative work without limitations. Carpe Diem Solutions is shifting the boundaries by enabling market-leading technologies with fundamental science. To embrace the future, we build the power of momentum.